Turn signals are manually operated devices which allows you to notify other motorists of which direction you plan on heading. Turn signals are located in the front and rear of your vehicle. You may have noticed them and wondered what they are. They generally are of red or amber colors and are mounted in pairs, one for left turns and one for right turns. Perhaps you may have seen them on other vehicles and wondered what they were at one time or another. Sounds complicated, doesn't it? That's why we are here to help. There is a manually operated switch that is located to the left of your steering wheel. Move the switch all the way down for signaling left turns and all the way up for signaling right turns. The center position turns off the turn signal. Notice the blinking light next to all the funny looking numbers on the panel. The blinking lights let you know that you have successfully turned on your turn signal. Manually means hand operated, or you will have to lift your lazy arm up in the air and move the switch yourself. Turn signals are not automatic.